Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, this is Men's Health Network, and today we're talking about substance abuse and recovery in men. Did you know that in the United States, the abuse of drugs and alcohol is the leading cause of preventable and premature illness and death? That's an extremely serious reality that many of us will unfortunately witness at some point. Addiction is such a devastating issue because it doesn't just affect one area. An addiction to drugs and alcohol can ruin your health, finances, relationships, and career, all parts of life that are important to us. Although most of us are aware of the broad effects of substance abuse, in this video, we'll look at substance abuse from a specific angle. This week, we're talking about how substance abuse affects men, highlighting the unique challenges and their paths to recovery. What's substance abuse, and why is it so dangerous? According to the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, substance abuse is defined as the improper use of illegal drugs, alcohol, prescription, and over-the-counter drugs. This is more than just a single moment. Substance abuse is a harmful pattern of drug or alcohol use that interferes with your professional life, relationships, and overall well-being. Here's a huge misconception we should address. It's often believed that substance abuse only becomes serious when you can no longer be productive in your day-to-day life, but that's not true. In reality, a large number of people experiencing substance abuse are high-functioning. They might seem like they're doing well in their professional and social lives. But this form of substance abuse is incredibly deceptive and dangerous. If left untreated, high-functioning abusers of addictive substances end up facing serious long-term damage. Substance abuse is serious, even when it's hidden. Did you know that men are more likely to use illicit drugs like cocaine and heroin? How about the fact that more men than women die from prescription opioid overdose every year, despite women being more likely to misuse opioids? Research by the National Institute on Drug Abuse shows that men and women respond differently to drugs. There are a few reasons why substance abuse occurs more often in men. Number 1. Cultural masculinity expectations can push men to adopt risky behaviors as a way to maintain control or suppress vulnerability. Number 2. Some men turn to drugs and alcohol as a way of coping with big changes and significant events in life, like losing a loved one, starting a new job, or moving to a new city. And number 3, physical injuries or chronic health issues that are treated with prescription medications can develop into dependencies that create addiction. Understanding these causes illuminates the unique obstacles men face, an important step for long-term recovery. We've talked about some of the challenges men face and the dangers of substance abuse. Now, let's talk about recovery from substances. Stigmas surrounding addiction and masculinity can make it hard for men to seek help. But when men do reach out, specialized addiction treatment programs can provide an amazing, supportive environment for recovery. These programs aren't generic. They're tailored to address the unique needs and challenges men face. They offer therapy to improve anger management and relationship issues, and they surround men with others facing similar circumstances, creating a powerful peer community. These are safe spaces where men can express vulnerability without fearing judgment, which is essential for healing and growth. Plus, they help men develop a stronger sense of identity that isn't tied to substance abuse, even incorporating physical fitness and nutrition for improvements in mental and physical health. Recovery is a journey worth taking, and finding the right program can make all the difference. We've covered a lot about substance abuse and recovery in men. We've learned that the abuse of drugs and alcohol is the leading cause of preventable illness and death in the United States, capable of ruining your health, finances, relationships, and even your career. Even high-functioning substance abuse is dangerous, left untreated. But here's the biggest takeaway. Recovery is possible for men. Despite stigma surrounding addiction and masculinity, specialized addiction treatment programs offer a great path forward. These programs provide spaces for vulnerability, build strong peer connections, and help men develop a sense of identity without the use of substances. The bottom line is that the journey to recovery starts with just one step. The Men's Health Network can connect you to resources and support for yourself and your loved ones. For more information, visit us at menshealthnetwork.org and subscribe for more videos like these.